Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. In the last video you would have seen me unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which we are currently filming this video on to test out its capabilities. So it's going to be filmed at 4K and 30 FPS, so hopefully it comes out nice because it's probably only going to be rendered in 1080p. So we'll see, and thanks to the box for opening itself. But anyway, Amanda's behind the camera, so if you hear someone breathing or chuckling to herself, that's exactly why. We've unboxed the Xbox Series X, which I've played a lot, and it's a good console and I really rate it, especially with the new Samsung TV. Today we have the PlayStation 5, which I was lucky enough to pick up on Amazon. So we're going to unbox this bad boy. Hopefully it's got everything in it, because I've seen stuff from people on Amazon.
Yeah, hopefully it's not a bag of rice.
Yeah, we've seen people getting things that are not a PS5, even though they've ordered a PS5, like a bag of rice and cat food. So hopefully this has got it in. The weird thing was, when it turned up and I got it out of the box, the seal here at the top was like open. So I haven't fully looked in it properly, so hopefully we'll get in there and it all looks okay and kosher. If not, then
at least make it a bag of dog food, so it's useful.
You know, Amazon customer service will be coming to you know, that live chat, and hopefully you can explain why. But hopefully we don't have to worry about that. Really sorry for the people that's happened to, and yeah. Let's see how this unboxing compares to the Xbox Series X, which I really rated because I liked how they've kind of done their new box experience thing. It was quite cool. So this is just kind of an outside filler thing, really. So kind of get the handle, give it a nice yank off. There we go, we've already ripped this. So it says something, we'll twist the box around here. There you go, nice PlayStation logo. Little clip on the top. There we go, and it says something on the top about, okay, right, I see. So, pull this off. There's a little thing here that we're going to open up. It says to pull this out by that. So, pull that out. It just looks like a basic box, and voila, it just looks like a basic
not
PS5.
as wowed.
Not as wowed as what I was with the Xbox. So, in this box here, I don't know if you can see, hopefully none of the stuff falls out. There's a few things here, like manual and wire and stuff. I love the fact they don't have massive bulky things anymore that, you know, attached to these things that then plugged into the
Oh my gosh, yeah, it used to be really chunky.
Yeah, like a whole like case thing. But you know, for the controller, this controller definitely...
I'm interested to see that.
This feels way more premium than the Series X controller does. Got a bit more weight to it.
I feel like they look more like Xbox controllers now, though, not so much a PlayStation
It feels good. It feels good. I like it. So that'll go back in here. We've obviously got the wire that's kind of done up. I thought they would have at least done that in black as well. They've kind of given you some like weird beige colour, but we don't need to open that anytime soon.
Maybe that one's more recyclable.
Possibly. Then we've got the PS5 booklets, quick start things, the stuff that no one ever reads.
Especially not men.
What we've got in here. Let's have a look.
Is that for the PlayStation to sit on, I think, isn't it?
I would presume so. So in here, yeah, this is literally the stand, I would presume. So just looks like that. Not too much to it. Very plasticky. Feels quite gimmicky, actually. It feels like something you give your dog to play with. Oh, and then we've got HDMI 2.1. HDMI 2.1 leads, I presume. I'd expect it to. Hasn't got any like ultra high speed things like it said on the... Yeah, there we go. It just says high speed HDMI cable. So that'll do for that. Drop that box on the floor and we will get the Big Daddy out. We're going to lie this down because that's what it tells us to do. So move this over here. And we will get it on its side like that. And it says to pull out this bad boy. So at the moment everything does look quite kosher, which I'm pleased about, so I'll put it down here. We'll get off the sides. The polystyrene thingies. These polystyrene? No, they're cardboard. Wow, that is
heavy.
Weighty. I thought the Xbox was heavy. That's heavier than the Xbox by a country mile. That is weighty. And it's also, I think it looks bigger. Be quite careful. Ruin this, obviously covered in its nice things. Got to try and work out to see the black PS5 logo. Okay, here it is. Maybe I'll put the stand here and we'll stand it up straight away.
Yeah, because you can have it other both ways, right?
No, I think it's stand only. I'm pretty sure.
Really?
I think it's
I thought
stand
you could
only.
have it the other way as well.
No, I'm not too sure. Everyone I've seen had it stood up. I haven't seen
Just
anyone
because on the
like
back
that.
of the box it's the other way.
It might be. Or maybe you can. Oh, yeah, you can. You can lie down if you want. Okay.
Yeah, because you can see the black stand under it on the photo.
Yeah. Well,
I guess it's for what type of space you have, I suppose.
I'm too damage this thing. Woo. There we go. Right, PlayStation. It's quite nice actually. A lot of people said this looked like Seto Kaiba from Yu-Gi-Oh, especially my friend Miles.
I have no idea.
Shout out to you, Miles. Yeah, we've got that normal power port on the back. Well, I need to figure out how we stand this thing up. I'm presuming it just goes in like.
This is where
Like
the
that. There you
manual
go.
comes in.
There you
really
go.
handy.
Bang in. Or is that the right way?
I don't know what you're
Oh, it
doing.
looks like the right way, I must say so. I don't know what that does, but anyway, it stood up here. So on the... Okay, that's a bit weird.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe not. We'll have a check. Anyway, you got the power. That's a bit weird. Like twists and turns on that, okay. So you got the power output thingy there. Got the HDMI port to put in. You've got your Ethernet lead if you want to put that in two USB 3.0s or 3.1s. No, not 3.1s, 3.0s. And on the front, you've obviously got, you've got your another USB charging port, I'm presuming, two buttons here. One of them I'm presuming is on, the other one I'm presuming ejects the disc, and then obviously you've got the disc there. So, yeah. First thoughts, I like the look of it. It looks quite nice. It's heavy. I think I don't know, it feels a lot heavier than the Xbox vehicle.
I don't think that's the right
Does it go
way.
like that?
No, I don't think so.
I don't know. We'll see.
I think it's the other way.
Don't know. It stands either way, I think. Is it not right?
I don't know. You should read
I think
the
it can
manual.
stand either way. There you go. I think because of the way the design.
I'm not going to lie, it makes me slightly anxious, that stand.
It does. It doesn't feel as sturdy as the Xbox does, but...
To be honest, from a women's point of view, which probably no one cares that much about, but I don't really like the look of either the PlayStation or the Xbox.
I've always been an Xbox fan, so I really like it.
Prefer
like
the Xbox One visually.
Really?
Yeah, I don't like this new Xbox.
Like
it looks
one.
way too chunky.
I think it looks like an
And
Xbox.
out of the PlayStations, I'm a hardcore PlayStation 2.
PlayStation 2.
Because it was a lot sleeker and less in your face.
Yeah, it looks nice. I don't know whether
But I
says
suppose
anything
they
about
make
the
the.
instruction manual, but
I'm guessing they make the console bigger because it's supposed to be
more powerful.
better.
There's a lot of hardware components that go into these things, and it needs a lot of space to dissipate the heat that comes out of it as well. If you were outputting this on an 8K telly, then your console's going to be hot.
Yeah.
And very hot. And even at 4K, it's going to be roasty toasty. So, I think it's definitely bigger than the Xbox. Like in comparison, if I put it up here,
Oh my gosh.
stupid stand. I'm just going to literally just put it like this. There you go, nothing holding it up there. That is how big it is in comparison.
That is huge.
That's how big it is in
That is like
comparison to
half the
television.
size of the telly.
If you stacked another one, it'd actually be bigger than the telly. So, if you're thinking of putting this on a sideboard, you've got to be careful. You don't want it to look too bad, but it's quite big. And this is against a 55-inch Philips TV. So yeah, if you've got this in your living room and someone walks past your window and they see that, you might have an unexpected visitor coming in to pinch one, especially before Christmas. So keep it out of eyesight. Anyway, I think that is it for today's unboxing. I think it's an interesting looking console. I've got to try and figure out how this stand works. Right everyone, so I just wanted to cut to this bit quickly now because we figured something out after I complained that I didn't know what was going on and it felt it was unstable. I'll reclaim that statement.
Retract.
Retract the statement. I'll retract the statement because basically this thing here, right on the bottom, this thing, it has a screw. So you twist it around, it's got a screw, you yank it out, and there's a little bit in the bottom of the PS5. It says
It's got a little pip.
Yeah, there's a little pip, you pop it out, looks a bit like that. And then next thing you know, basically put this in the bottom, make sure this thing's tight, right tight onto the back of the PS5, and then you screw it in, and then voila. It's now nice and
It
sturdy.
is very sturdy now.
Nice and sturdy, so happy days. Look, there you go.
I'm
look.
not anxious
Steady
anymore.
moves. Yeah, not anxious anymore. So anyway, that is the PS5 unboxing. Here's a nice little turnaround shot for you guys to see again. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. I'm going to go and figure out how to stand this thing properly and probably put it upstairs. So if you have enjoyed this video, please make sure you leave a massive like, and if you are new to the channel, please click subscribe. That would mean a hell of a lot to me, and turn on the little bell for channel notifications. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, you want to keep up with me on a day-to-day basis, follow me on Instagram. It's at jaj_tv. You can find me there. And then if you want to be part of the Discord as well, you can join our Discord. The link will be in the description to my Discord channel, which you can come and join. I'm on there daily as well. And if you want to watch me live stream on Twitch, you can follow me down in the description as well. So, yes. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you get your PS5 for Christmas if you're looking to get one. This is what an unboxing experience was like for myself. Hopefully you guys enjoy it as well. So anyway, guys, thanks. Have a lovely weekend or day or whatever the hell you're doing. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.